U.S. Food and Drug Administration rolled out new measures against the tobacco industry today.
That's right, and the agency says it will begin banning menthol in cigarettes and limit the sales of flavored e-cigarettes to youth. KNWA's Kelly O'Neill is live in studio with how new statistics on vaping have some people alarmed. Kelly.
The FDA says vaping has increased nearly 80% among high schoolers and 50% among middle schoolers since last year. Now, that prompted the organization to take action by moving forward with taking flavored electronic cigarette liquid off shelves and certain websites.
I believe it's become a fad.
New numbers from the FDA show the number of current vapors in middle school and high school has jumped by roughly 1.5 million since 2017. That means 3.6 million kids are vaping, and they're using flavored liquids more often.
What we know now is you have chronic exposure to heavy metals, chromium, tin, lead, nickel. You have chronic exposures to heated oils. You have chronic exposure to flavorants that can lead to deterioration of lung disease and put one at increased risk of lung cancer.
Dr. Michael Green, the medical director of the cardiac cath lab at Northwest Medical Center, says vaping is an alternative to smoking cigarettes that carries a lot of risk for little benefit.
Vaping has become so prevalent that not only is it injuring the primary user, but we got to take into account if you're sitting next to someone vaping all the time, that you're going to be running the same risk as someone that was chronically smoking regular cigarettes.
The FDA says it will stop the sale of flavored electronic cigarette liquid at convenience stores and gas stations. Fayetteville vape shop owner Raymond Key says this is a good thing because it will make it a lot harder for the underage crowd to get their hands on these products, which are intended to help addicted smokers.
You know, there's a lot of trouble you can get in by selling to underage, and it's not something I want to contribute to, because the whole point of this is to help people get off of smoking, not to actually create another habit.
And the proposed changes do not include mint, menthol, and tobacco flavors, so that people looking to quit smoking cigarettes still have a few options. Live in studio, Kelly O'Neill, KNWA, Northwest Arkansas News.